adventure needed day, does it?
Never know. Just like a GoPro, you never know what you're gonna get. Never know what's gonna happen.
What?
Never know what's gonna happen. There could be something to share today. You never know.
Or it just ends up in the trash can on the editing desk.
Or behind the scenes footage.
Behind the scenes sounds so scandalous.
We're off to the farmer's market in Cape May area. That's where we're heading. Oh, wrong button.
That has us walking. Sure, that ain't happening.
I'm not walking. If you notice this is kind of neat. Sheila got her ram mounts in for her Bronco.
Yes, thank you, Bronco Nation.
So we're going to be using these because there's a GoPro mount I can put on the dash that we can do some open road. It's like our podcast thing that we used to do. And I have one that I can use for my phone when I'm in here for a while. So this thing's pretty cool. It's just a track that you can slide things in.
Yeah, so then when we go to the Bronco off-rodeo, we can put the GoPro in there. Speaking of the, you said we're going to do open roads. Where are we going to put that footage?
Open
roads.
roads.
Decided?
If they're watching it, they might know. I don't know what this is going to be.
No, where's the open roads footage going? Oh, on the app. It's going to be on the app. Having a...
brain
you ever
fog.
have those moments where your brain just doesn't want to work?
I think most people think that's my everyday.
Well, let's see what it's new to me, and I know likey.
It's 5 o'clock somewhere.
People at the lake or on the coast just live a different. They just live differently. They just have different things.
Yeah. Oh, Sheila, there it is. Told you there was a Winnebago that popped up. A Winnebago Brave. It's a newer one.
Cute. Was there another one in here?
Yeah, I don't know where it went though. There's 2. Small car problems. Next one down, unless you're walking through the maze.
Walking through the garden. That's what we're here to do. We're not eating, are we?
Oh, I don't know what this place is.
Well,
So it's a farm. It's not an actual farmer's market, like where everyone is. It's somebody's farm. That's a farm.
And I believe there's a shop.
There's rosemary. You just go and pick all your stuff and take it in and pay for it.
Get that. I'm pretty sure they just use it in their farm, but that's rosemary. Better looking than what's in my
Yeah, because it looks alive.
It does. Mine's dying slowly.
What kind of mushrooms are those?
These are all kinds. Lion's mane, blue petite, golden, pink, and oyster mix.
You just put your liquor in it and let it sit in the fridge. But we see these all the time, everywhere.
So this is your lemon drop, like, add spirits, refrigerate 3 days. Interesting. So infuses it. So that's sugar, dehydrated oranges. I like that idea. So apparently you can grab some of the produce there and go feed the pigs. I'll have to go find the pigs. It's got a cool little restaurant here too. It's like a jungle to get to the pigs. A little fun little walk. Might as well make going to see pigs enjoyable. There's a little bridge. No wonder they say feed the carrots to the pigs. Apparently pigs don't eat carrots. Bet you didn't know that. There's carrots all the way up there. There are carrots everywhere.
Are pigs out here?
Yeah.
Oh.
Isn't this a nice little walk?
I thought she said she moved them.
Here's the fun part. They don't like carrots, apparently. Did you know that?
What?
They don't like carrots.
Pigs don't?
I don't know. They're not eating the carrots. Because everyone's throwing them carrots.
Oh, well they don't want carrots then.
No, they eat bread. Who knew pigs could be such like an attraction?
It's a farm market day. I'm
Oh.
on the hunt for strawberries.
Oh,
Kelly's on the hunt for peaches.
okay, that's fair. See, sometimes not too many exciting things happen. We're just out doing RVing. This is exciting.
Check them out.
Look what's next to you, park next to you.
Oh, wow.
That's exciting.
That's an OG right there.
It is an OG. You want to see an OG? Check this out. Come on now. That's awesome. Before and after. We're now at Ria's Family Market. I think that's it. You just get one table. Ed's face and... Did you find anything?
No strawberries.
I mean,
No, that is it. Just that one table?
yeah.
And they have
That's a big building.
peaches, but they have peaches, but duckies were better.
Okay.
So I think we're just gonna go.
Duckies.
Yeah.
That's what
It's called Duckies.
It's already in my
Did
phone.
you do video of the Bronco sitting next to you guys?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we took a picture.
That's pretty cool.
That way.
We're meeting at Duckies? Oh, that's a whole thing.
It's a small market too. But
It's a market day.
it's a market there.
I don't know. I remember when we flew a plane with a banner. We should do that again sometime.
You're living in the glory days.
Boy, that was a glory day.
Was that just 2 years ago?
Oh, it just makes me chuckle and smile every time. There's another banner with the plane. There's
What's
two of them.
happening? We're missing something.
I know. Hunt for strawberries continues. We're now at Duckies.
We might end up having to go to Safeway.
I don't even think there's Safeways here. I don't see strawberries on that list. What's going on at... Uh-oh. Did you find some? I feel success coming on. Yes! Okay. Pick wisely. Uh-oh. Peaches.
They got cherries too.
Victory.
Excess and some extras.
See, this is what RV life is like. Behind the scenes. So glamorous.
It's pretty much the same as their
Anywhere
normal
else.
day.
The cool part is going to all the different places, and the farmers markets are all different. So,
People are different and they think that they have are different.
and this is a pretty cool old town, Cape May. It's got some really good vibes, and it's not super touristy quite yet.
Well,
It's got its moments, but it's not as bad as some of the other places.
no, but it's got a great. It's like a coastal yet farm community. It's just
It's a mix.
It's a mix. My guess is we're going back and dropping off our stuff, and then we're gonna get our bikes.
The motorcycle down. Barely split, and then so we could get the bikes off. It's good positioning. All right, we're off to bike ride to see, I guess there's a free zoo here in Cape May. Got the electrics down. Got them charged. And off we go. I'm really liking these bikes though. Cape May Zoo apparently is free. That's what we've been told. Is it free?
Yes. It's a nice. We got to get out the bikes and nice
So if you're going to
ride
stay at that
here.
RV park, you can actually ride. It's almost 10 miles.
Yeah.
But the bike path was great.
Actually, Cape May as a whole seems very bike friendly.
It is.
You'll see some creatures just kind of get off the bike, walk around a little bit. Be good.
Good.
Be good. All right, in we go. Okay. Yes, we're taking donations.
Huh? I know, isn't that fun? You guys are pretty mellow.
I thought that would be really cool.
Yes, my was that. That's like the baby and
I gotta tell you, this is a very well done zoo. That's free. So, it's a very well done zoo.